Hi, I'm Suzanne Meno, and welcome back to IMC Teddy. It's been 4 years since our last virtual tour, and there's been some big changes in our factory since then. We're excited to show you what's new and exciting in today's tour. So, without further ado, we proudly present an updated walkthrough of the IMC Teddy factory. Let's jump right in. First up is our newly improved steel rack. We built this rack in 2024 in order to hold all of our sheets without them getting damaged. It also has the ability to hold extra material, so I can bring in a lot more so all the material is ready to go onto the laser. The laser is where we laser out all of the different products and get everything ready for the brake machine. The laser goes all day long, every day, with great speed and accuracy to ensure that everything is made correctly and to the finest details. Piece of equipment that we acquired in 2024 is our little baby shear. We used to have a very large old-fashioned shear. This is a programmable shear, and it's a nice, tiny, small footprint, so it opens up floor space for material that needs to get either sheared or lasered. Then we start walking into our press brake area. And what is new and exciting here? Well, last year we purchased our brand new brake. This brake is much bigger than the one before, and again, it's all programmable on a great screen. It came with a whole new set of brand new dies that are sharp and make the bends crisp and accurately. But if we keep going, we have our other brake over here, which is a smaller brake. And we've had that for many years now, since 2017. But one thing that's very different from the last tour is that we opened up all of this floor space is now opened up. And we made extra horses so that we can keep a lot more product that is all ready for the brakes. And it gives us more flow, more efficiency, and we can move faster to get it through the laser and brake departments. Going into the welding department. And as you can see, we have a lot of custom pieces on the wall that are getting ready for welding. And then they'll start welding and make them some gorgeous pieces for you. But we have compartment sinks, we have tables with sinks, we have some chases over here, and scrap baskets. And on this side of me, we have all of our stock troughs that are getting ready to be welded for you so that we can ship in 1 to 2 days. As you can see, this is our entire welding department. We actually open this all up so that we can stage the different custom pieces in the middle once they are welded and polished. We have about 6 welders in their different stations. Over here you have a table with a sink in it. We also have a very large 3-compartment sink that has just been tack welded to make sure that everything fits perfectly before they fully weld it up. We take great care to make sure that everything lines up, it's level and straight. And if you look behind it, these are a bunch of wall cabinets that we have in stock that can ship within a day or two from the order. Our welders have been very, very busy this summer. And here is another custom piece being welded now. It is a table with 2 sinks. And remember, all of our sink bowls are made by hand. We weld these up ourselves. They are never die stamped or deep drawn. As you can see over here, it is a thin weld and pretty smooth so that the polishers don't have extra work. That's no clumps of weld. It's a straight, perfect weld right there you're looking at. After welding, we then go into the polishing department because nobody wants to see those ugly burn marks anyway. Here we got a table, getting the final touches, making sure that it looks gorgeous. It will stand out in your kitchen or anywhere it's going. Then here we have another table that will have a utility chase. And it will also have an overshelf, a table mounted. And they're making sure that this is gorgeous before they fully assemble the drawers and electrical receptacles. If we keep coming, here is a very large 3-compartment scullery sink. This takes a lot of work. As you can see, it's been welded nicely, and now it's got a be polished. And as you can see the sink bowls, we weld everything inside. No deep drawn, no die stamp. It's all man-made. And if you come along, you have your drain board over here. And we even have an optional undershelf underneath. So you can customize our pieces any way you want, very easily. And here we have another trough, and yet another trough, but this one has a seepage flange. We do many seepage flanges all the time. We also have an off-center drain. Drains can be placed anywhere so that it can fit into your plumbing in the fields. And one more polisher over here, as we have 8 polishers, and he's doing a hand sink. Final touches, getting ready to go into the shipping department. Welding and polishing, there is a whole assembly department where many of our items do need to get assembled, such as this 4-door CMSCR modified. You know, our mop cabinets have many different options and modifications to meet your needs. So this is one that has just been recently assembled. It also has louvers on the side for you to get some airflow. Those are our security sink bodies. Here's another wall cabinet that needed to get assembled, doors hung. And we have these other cabinets getting ready for their doors and backs. We have some more sinks over here that are waiting for their aprons. And on this side, you can see how he's assembling the backs to the cabinets that we just saw. He has his doors ready to go right here, and that will go on next. And then this product will go for a few touches and polishing, and then off to the shipping department. We have a slicer mixer table with tray sides underneath that's ready to be shipped out, as well as some work tables, some flat top work tables with undershelves and casters, all ready to go. And also ready to go is all of our mop sinks on the top. We have very many, so place your orders. It ships right out for you. And on the bottom, we have a lot more stock troughs that are polished and ready to be crated and out the door. We have a wide range of sizes and models for your convenience. Again, we ship stock within 1 to 2 days of you placing the order. Shipping department starts here with all these troughs that are ready to get crated up. They actually fit the grating in first to make sure that everything fits snug, tight, perfectly, and then they will crate this up with the trough so that nobody loses the grating. And we have a lot more troughs going on back here. We also have a large cabinet, which that is a mop cabinet, the CMSCR. In this crate, we have a T-shaped trough. And we do have some wall shelves, louvered wall shelves here that you can see that are also ready to go. Wall shelves can come solid or louvered, even perforated if you need. We have a very tall floor trough because floor troughs come in all shapes and sizes. And this looks like its matching brother over here with its tall heights. And as you can see, the trucks come in and everything gets rolled right on out. Thank you so much for taking the time to take the tour with me. As you can see, we made a lot of changes since the last tour 4 years ago. But what's even better is if you come in person and see it yourself. IMC has a lot to offer all of our dealers and consultants, and we would love for you to come here, talk to the men working, see the machines, and really get a feel for what we're all about. The IMC is dedicated to great quality, and we bring that to you. So thank you so much for being with me today.